This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Quick, Tim!
Just like you, and just
Topsy,
like us,
run!
and we'll be friends forever.
Go, Tim!
We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together and be best friends forever.
Hello! It's us! Topsy! And Tim! It's our last day ever at Nursery School! Nursery photo.
Shoes on, please, Topsy and Tim.
Yes, Mummy. Tony Welch's dad is coming with us to nursery school today. He's going to take a photo of us all on our last day. This will be Tony Welch.
Hi, Paul. Hi, Tony. Come on in.
Hi, Joy. Hello, everyone.
Hello, Mrs. O'Donnell. Hi, Tony. Hi, Mr. Welch.
Hello, Topsy.
Why are you wearing your football kit, Tony? Because I want to for the photo. What's that?
Well, this is a tripod. Makes my camera nice and steady so I can take a really good picture of all of you.
We made a biscuit for you.
Oh.
We made one because we wanted to thank you for taking our picture today.
It's very nice of you. Look at this.
It's shaped like the sun because we hoped it would be sunny for our nursery school photo today.
Oh, I hope so too. Let me have a try. Mmm. Very nice.
There you go. You pop it on.
Let's play catch. Pass it to me, Tony. Not to me, Topsy.
Oh, it's Miss Maypole. Hello.
Come on, Tim.
No, we were just about to leave. Oh. Okay. Oh, dear. Okay, well, thanks for letting me know. Yeah, I'll tell everyone here. Okay, thank you, Miss Maypole. Bye.
What did Miss Maple say, Mummy?
She said that they've found a wasp's nest in the roof of the nursery school building.
Wow! Whoa, cool.
And she's very sorry, but Tiddlywinks Nursery School will be closed today.
Oh, that's a shame.
Well, if you find a wasp's nest in a building, you can't let children go in and play there. Miss Maypole needs to keep the nursery as safe as possible.
Of course.
But it was our last day of nursery school today. And now my dad can't take our class photo. It's not fair. I know. Tony, you could stay here and play with us. Yes! We can have the last day at nursery school at our house.
And if you got all your nursery class round, then I can still take this picture of you.
Yes! Can we, Mummy? Please, double, please.
I think that is a brilliant idea, Topsy and Tim. I'll call Miss Maypole straight away and ask her to invite everyone here for the last day of nursery school.
Yes! Miss Maple says yes. She'd love us to hold nursery school at our house.
Right, everyone's here. You ready? Come on.
And she arrives with all our friends.
Straight on through.
And we do circle time as usual.
OK, Topsy, why don't you stand up, have a think about it and tell everyone what makes you really happy at nursery school.
What makes me happy at nursery school is playing with all my friends.
Oh, that's lovely. Thank you very much, Topsy. OK, Kerry, your turn. Stand up and tell us what makes you happy.
What makes me happy at nursery school? I love story time about funny animals who can talk.
I like those too, Kerry. Thank you very much. Your turn now, Tim.
What makes me happy about nursery school is snack time.
We all like snack time, don't we? Well, if we're very lucky, maybe we'll have snack time soon.
Well, if Miss Maypole agrees, we could have snack time now.
What do you think?
Yes!
Yes, please. Thank you very much. I wonder what we're going to have today. Very special treat from Topsy and Tim's mummy.
Topsy and Tim have made you all biscuits.
Here you are, Kerry. Who wants a biscuit? All our friends take a biscuit each. Then there's just the smiley biscuit left. It's Miss Maple's special biscuit. This is for you. The smiley face biscuit.
It's beautiful, thank you so much.
It's smiley just like you.
Oh, thank you very much, Topsy and Tim.
Okay, who'd like a drink?
Oh, lovely.
What are we going to do after we've had our drinks and biscuits, Miss Maple?
Well, if we're very good and finish our snack time, I've got a very special idea. Here we go, guys. Hold it nice and tight. There you go.
Miss Maple wants us to make a big handprint picture in the kitchen. Mummy finds some paper and we get our paints out. Topsy goes first.
Fantastic! Great! Okay, who wants to go next? Okay, good. If you're nice. Which one do you want to It might get a bit fantastic.
We make a giant picture of all of our handprints.
Lovely, good girl.
Look at my hands, Mummy. They're all clean now.
Perfect and clean. Go on, show Miss Maple.
Oh, let's see.
Miss Maple, I washed my hands.
Sparkling, perfect. You can come and help me take this out to the garden. Off you go, Vindigo, and wash your hands.
The garden? Why the garden?
Because Tony's dad is going to take a special class photograph for us out in the garden.
Yay!
It's really carefully, Topsy. That's it. Brilliant. Ready for the photograph?
We get ready to have our photo taken on the patio.
Come on, everyone, quickly, quickly. That's it, make sure we all get on. Come on underneath, that's it. Everyone peek their heads over. We all got our hands on it. Fantastic. Okay, well, that'll be perfect.
Okay, I am ready when you are.
Don't take the photo yet, Dad. Tim's still washing his hands.
Don't worry, Tony. Tim will be on the photograph.
You all will be.
Come on, Tim.
Come on, Tim. Come on, Tim.
Now we are all ready for our nursery school photo.
I'm ready. Thank you, Topsy and Tim, and your mummy too, for inviting us all to spend the last day of nursery school here. You've been such a special class, and I wish you all a very happy time at Big School. Now, everyone look at the camera, and let's say Tiddlywinks!
Oh, look, that's perfect.
Oh, it's lovely.
Okay, let's do some more. Right, everyone say tiddlywinks again. Here we go. On three. One,
Ready,
two,
everyone?
three. Oh,
Oh, lovely.
It's
Looks
perfect.
great.
go.
After everyone has gone home, Tony's dad shows us the photos. I like that one where we're all putting funny faces.
That's a good one, isn't it?
I liked having the last day of nursery school at our house. I feel sad that we're never going to go to Tiddlywinks nursery school again.
Oh, but you'll feel happy when you all go to Big School together.
Yes! I can't wait till I go to Hatcham Primary School with all of my friends.
Oh, look at that one. That's a really good one.
And that's when Tony said, I'm not going to Hatcham Primary School with you. I'm not going to Hatcham Primary School with you, Topsy and Tim. Why? Why? I'm moving house, so I'll be going to a different big school, won't I, Dad?
Yes, that's right, Tony. Our new house is too far away from Hatcham Primary School, so we're going to take Tony to a different school instead.
It's not fair.
Oh, Tim, I know you feel sad, but we'll still see Tony lots. We'll make sure of it, won't we, Paul?
Yes, of course, I promise.
At the weekends? In school holidays? Forever! Let's dance! Forever and ever and ever!
Really are great friends, aren't you?
And that, said Mummy, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, all our friends from nursery school came round. Can you remember what Tony Welch was wearing? Was it his football kit? Or was it his new school uniform? The answer is behind the jigsaw piece. Look, the answer is his football kit. Watch this.
Hi, Joy. Hi, everyone.
Hello, Mrs. O'Donnell. Hi, Tony. Hi, Mr. Wells.
Hello, Topsy.
Why are you dressed in your football kit, Tony? Because I want to for the photo. Great game. That was good fun. See you soon. We can play